Welcome to Social Media Training with Aptegy. We will be using the Thrillshare platform to interact with social media. Let's get started. When signing in, you will be using the Login with Google button. The first time logging in, you will need to read and agree to their service agreement. I like to call this the help screen because these are all the ways you can get help outside of me. My favorite is the live chat that can be found on any screen throughout the platform and the help articles. Let's set up your account. Click on your name. First, let's add your school profile. Your profile name will be the name of your school. Your photo needs to be your school logo. If you need your logo, please ask me. Once you have uploaded your logo, click Add your profile. Now that you have created your school profile, I like to set it as active so I don't have to think about it when I publish. Having established our profile, let's dive into the real excitement. Click on Media. We will begin our media journey with Live Feed. Live Feed is what feeds your homepage, but also talks to your school's social media accounts. In the Live Feed, you will have access to posts that are currently published, those that are scheduled, drafts, posts awaiting approval, and archived posts. Archived posts refer to any content that has been removed. You can archive posts, but you cannot delete them. If you notice that you are producing similar posts, consider creating a template. The real excitement lies in creating posts. Let's get started by clicking on Create Post. This is the posting screen. Let's take a tour. This first section is designated for the website. Be sure to post here in addition to your social media accounts. The live feed is for your school website, while notifications are for the website app. For now, let's focus on the live feed. Next, we have the social media section. This area connects your school's social media accounts to Thrillshare. All usable accounts will be highlighted in purple. The alert section is currently not in use. Let's get creative and create an amazing post. To kick things off, I'm going to click on Live Feed, Facebook, and Twitter or X. Your school may have a different social media combination, so make sure to click on the accounts you have. Let the fun begin. When I create social media posts, I'll run to Magic School to help organize my thoughts and make the tedious tasks easier. Work smarter, not harder, right? Once Magic School shares this little gem, I'll simply copy and paste it into my message box. Now, let's add a picture to accompany our posts. To do this, I will click on Select File and locate the image or images I want to include. I highly recommend using no more than 5 images. Anything greater should be posted on the website itself. As we add each picture, we must also include alternative text, or alt text. Alt text helps users who rely on screen readers understand what the image is. Your alt text should accurately describe the image. For instance, if you post a flyer as an image, be sure to describe the flyer and any text it contains. Click Save to post. If you're not ready to post yet, click Save as Draft. Otherwise, you can continue by clicking Continue. For the purpose of this training, let's go ahead and click Save as Draft. I will continue with the creation process just for future reference. When you are ready to complete the posting process, click Continue. Think of this as the preview screen. This screen will show you 1. Where it is being posted. 2. A review of the message you are posting. 3. A preview of the image or images. 4. Your school profile as the author. 5. Any live feed tags. 6. Your school as the audience. Take a moment to review everything before finalizing your post. Once you are ready, you can save your post as a draft, schedule it for a future date, or publish it immediately. When you are done, you will be returned to the post screen. Congratulations! You have created your first post via Thrillshare. Thank you for taking the time to learn about live feed and social media posting via Thrillshare. Please ensure that your post has been saved as a draft for review by K. Aarons. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.